Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from PayPal to RIA Money Transfer. So, if you're looking to send money from PayPal to RIA Money Transfer, you might have noticed there's no direct button for that. And you're probably wondering, is there a legit way to do it? So the short answer is yes, there is, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from PayPal to RIA, safely and step by step using a trusted method. So here is the breakdown. Alright, first things first, a lot of people get confused here. Unfortunately, PayPal doesn't support direct transfers to RIA Money Transfer. So you can't just log in and send funds from your PayPal wallet to RIA like you might with a bank account. But here's the good news: PayPal owns a service called Zoom, and this is the official and secure bridge between PayPal and international cash pickup services like RIA. So we're not using any shady third-party workarounds. This is the official way recommended by PayPal itself. Now let's talk about how you can do that. First, open up your browser or download the Zoom app. Go to zoom.com and sign in using your PayPal account. This automatically links your PayPal balance as a funding source. Once you're in, choose the country where you want to send money. Now enter your recipient's full name, their location, and select Cash Pickup as the delivery method. Now the next question you might ask: how long does it take? In most cases, RIA cash pickups are available within a few minutes. But depending on the country, time of day, or amount being sent, it could take a little longer. Always keep an eye on your email for confirmation and receipt tracking. Here's the important part: when it asks you where to pick up the cash, choose RIA Money Transfer from the list of pickup partners. Double-check all the info, hit send, and boom, you're done. Now the very next question is it safe or not? So the short answer is yes. This is 100% secure and legit. You're using PayPal's official service Zoom, which means your payment is encrypted, your data is protected, and you're using a platform trusted by millions of people around the world. Avoid using any unofficial third-party websites that offer PayPal to RIA tricks. Most of them are scams. And that's it. You are done.